May 13, 9:30. I was flying my drone testing the distance, and I noticed the irrigation here. And so I thought, since I'm here, I might as well check the irrigation, what's going on with it. So they're doing something, rehabilitation. I believe this irrigation comes from Magat Dam. So it's helped to supply the water from Magat to Siffu River irrigation. So there's no water coming from Magat. So they're fixing whatever is damaged or eroded from the Magat. So this is the gate going into the Siffu. So this is the south side of the Siffu River. So going up, so this is what it looked like. It certainly needs to be fixed. I heard that they're flooding the south side of the Siffu River first because there's no water at the Magat River. Magat? What am I talking? Siffu River. Actually, yeah. Why am I keep saying Magat River, Siffu River? So I'm here at the intersection. This goes to Roxas, and that goes to Paracelis, and this goes to Siffu Dam. So this is the bypass that goes to the Siffu Bridge. So this is the water coming out of the Siffu Dam. So there's plenty, well, I don't know if you call it plenty, but there's water here. And so the rice fields are being flooded here. But the water level of the irrigation is still low. Yeah, stating the obvious, the water is too low. I mean, that's about 3 meters from water level to the rice field. So either they had to pump or wait till the irrigation is full. Up into the mountains, the hill are denuded because of, I think they did a fire cleaning. It's hot. So the water level here at this side seems to be high enough that the rice field on this side, on the north side of the irrigation, is flooded. They're either doing pumping or some other source. Obviously, to pump over there, you gotta pump the water. I think there's a pump there too. Here, they're using solar to use to pump water up here. It looked like a 6 meters deep from the rice field to the water. It's about 6 meters by the looks of it. So his wife is using sun power to irrigate his rice field. So I'm here at the Siffu Dam. So if they wanted to, I guess it's not the time for the irrigation to be open. Because they're allowing the water to flow down stream, so it's not yet time for the water to be released to the farmers. I wonder when they will release it. So they're doing lining of the river right over there and on this side. when I was a kid, I used to go up there. Uh, Now they're preventing people from going in. So when I was 6, probably 5, uh, I wanted to climb this hill. My dad stopped me from climbing it. So now I finally get to climb it. So I'm pretty much up the hill. Just a few meters more. There used to be a weather station here when I was a kid. That's in the 60s. I think when my dad and I visited this place, I noticed there was a metal box. And I often wondered what it was. Now that I'm older, I realize the government has to monitor the weather and whatnots here for the dam. So that is not a weather station, but basically a Wi-Fi. So I'm just gonna go up a little bit more. So I'm on top of the hill, and the Siffu River meandering going to Roxas. Somewhere out there is Roxas. Somewhere out there is Parasilas. So that looked like a Wi-Fi signal. So they do slash and burn. They're probably gonna plant it with corn. Oh, hot. So I'm gonna do some drone shot. Here's the drone ready for takeoff. Okay, I'm done with the drone shot. It'll be a separate YouTube video. So I'm just gonna go up there a little bit, and then after that go home. Okay, I came down there, or I came from there, and I'm on the somewhat of a high point. So that's Siffu Dam down there, and the Siffu Dam. My goodness, my legs are tired and it's cramping. So this is what it looked like. That's north, and that's south. Lots of pollution. When I was a kid, it used to be clear as day. Well, it is day, but what I'm saying is not like this. I should be able to see clear into the mountain over there, the Sierra Madre, but not anymore. Oh well, I have my memories. So here I am, I'm going home. My phone is overheating, so I couldn't do too much video going down. So I'm just gonna shut it off. Allow the phone to cool down. Okay, I'm back down, down the hill. So back to checking the irrigation. I'm just gonna go down there a little bit. So I'm down by the river edge. There's some water going into the irrigation, but it's not fully open. So yeah. It's nice and cool with the mist coming from the water. Actually, the gate is closed. It's cold down here. nice. So this is the state of the river and the irrigation. Thanks for watching.